My day. I wake up. I get up. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. I get dressed. I make the bed. I have breakfast. I go to school. I read. I have lunch. I write. I come home. I do my homework. I go skateboarding. I play with my friends. I watch TV. I surf the net. I have dinner. I wash the dishes. I get undressed. I go to sleep. Mike's day. Mike wakes up. He gets up. He takes a shower. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his hair. He gets dressed. He makes the bed. He has breakfast. He goes to school. He reads. He has lunch. He writes. He comes home. He does his homework. He goes skateboarding. He plays with his friends. He watches TV. He surfs the net. He has dinner. He washes the dishes. He gets undressed. He goes to sleep.